Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see the IP address of Windows 10 or 11. So here, head over to your Wi-Fi connection, right click on it and go to Open Network and Internet Settings. And once you're there, just go to your internet or Wi-Fi's network options, go to Network and Sharing Center. And here you will find your Wi-Fi's network. And here, head over here and go to the details option in here. Once you do that, you will find all your IP address in here, like IPv4 address, that is this, and IPv4 subnet mask, and the other things like IPv6 default giveaway and DNS servers, etc. So yeah, this is how easily you can just find the gateway, server, and IP addresses of your Wi-Fi on Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.